Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Hedera Hashgraph, about Hbar token, guys. After a long time, I'm talking about Hedera Hashgraph price update. What's the price? What's the price changes occurring in Hedera Hashgraph? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, if we talk about the currently latest price update of Hedera Hashgraph, so obviously, congratulations to all of you. Now the changes. Every hour I found the change is positive, so that's great news for all Hedera Hashgraph holders. Now the currently price of each bar Hedera Hashgraph is about 0.385967 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Hedera. And other side, if we talk about the changes, and so the change is also positive 0.27%, positive 5.73%. Last 1 week change is about positive 8.12%, guys. So the changes is going unbelievable, guys. That's very great news, and I hope that you're feeling very well about these positive changes. Guys, now a lot of people ask me that how much Hedera Hashgraph will continue this pump. So guys, we can't say about the future, but my prediction about Hedera already positive. I also predicated many times Hedera Hashgraph, and now still again my prediction for all of you is that, guys, that it is why the changes of Hedera Hashgraph is positive due to the last of month, guys. So I believe, guys, that to the last of October, to the last of 31 October, Hedera Hashgraph will continue this pump. So they needs time, they needs holding, guys. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any coin, any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe channel.